Alright, so these are the Fosen Milk Greens that I found on Alibaba. I'm comparing these with stock Gateron Blues. So this is the Fosen. It's a very crisp click. And you can hear there's a bit of a rattle in the Gateron. So Sadster is the Fosen. It's DCS profile, thin double shot ABS. It's pretty light. I'd say it's actually a slightly lighter than Gateron's. There's a comparison there. Then these are cherry profile. So that's the Fosen. And here's the Gateron. Fosen. Gateron. They're pretty well built. There's a small thing that I don't like, which is, okay, there's focus. So the side is this strange kind of wraparound, similar to Outmoose, but there's no clips on the side for plate mount. And there's no pegs for PCB mount. So you're left with only the front and back supporting it on the plate. I'll solder these into like a number pad or something a little later on, see how it is to actually type on. So those are the Fosen clicky switches. I guess I'll call them Milk Greens.